Hi all, this is just a brief video to talk you through the proposal for essay number 1. I've had a couple of emails about it, so I thought I'd just record a quick video and send it out since I'm not there in person for a few weeks. So let's start from our homepage on Canvas. Let me turn on the student view so it looks more like what you see. So all this stuff here, if we just come to, it's right here, you can go here. It'll be on your to-do list. You can also go through assignments. So let's just click here, essay number 1 proposal. Oh, that's the announcement. I'm sorry. Let's go to assignments. That is my bad. Sorry for wasting your time. If we come down here to, where is it? Essay number 1 proposal. There it is. What's due? Sorry about that. Okay, so we have here very brief instructions. Please download and complete the following document and submit through Canvas. I think originally I was going to collect this in person in class, but I thought since I'm not there, it would be better to have you submit it online. That way I can take a look at it at home instead of waiting to collect it from my substitute. So if you open up this document, it will open up a Word document for you to fill out, for you to complete. And so this is, this is basically just a brainstorming activity, right? List 4 apocalyptic scenarios you could write about. Zombies, comet hitting the Earth, nuclear war, and then a solution for each. So, what's a solution for a nuclear war? I don't know, fallout shelters. What's a solution for a zombie apocalypse? I don't know, a walled city, something like that. Just brainstorming ideas. And then choose your favorite 2 scenarios. So choose 2. You're only going to write about 1 for your paper, but choose 2 so you can think about how you might approach both. Okay, so let's say you chose nuclear war and zombies. Okay, so you put, scenario 1, zombies, scenario 2, nuclear war, and then you go through and think about, remember the paper, you're trying to argue why you should be saved from this disaster, and you're trying to use these different classical appeals to do so. So, what's the kairos, what's the timing of your argument that you should be saved from the zombie apocalypse? Maybe there's a giant wave of zombies coming, so you need to be saved right now. Logos, what's a logical reason that they should take you into the shelter? I don't know, maybe you're a gunsmith and you can make really good guns to help fight the zombies, and you can bring up some research on how better guns are more effective at killing things. I don't know, something like that. Ethos, what's an argument from ethics or credibility? Maybe there's somebody inside the shelter that knows you and can vouch for you, or you've done some heroic act in the past that people know about, right? Some kind of reputation you have. And then pathos, what's some emotional reason that they should take you into that shelter? Maybe you have 2 young children that you care for and you need shelter that way. I don't know, something like that. Anyways, the whole purpose of this paper is to just practice using these appeals, right, for this this imaginary scenario you create. So go through 2 different scenarios and try to think of different reasons. This is just going to help you think about which one is better. You might have I want to really do scenario 1, and then you might have more luck coming up with reasons for scenario 2 and then decide to go with that. Okay, it's always good to brainstorm multiple ideas. And then there are a couple follow-up questions that you'll finish. You can complete this all in point form, that's fine, but please answer these questions in full sentences. Which of these 2 scenarios do you want to write about and why? Potential thesis statement, what obstacles might you face, and where and when will you write the essay? So logistical questions as well. Okay, so once you complete that, save it as a Word or a PDF file. Please don't save it as a Pages file because I can't open those on my PC. And I'll just ask you to resubmit it as a PDF. Once you complete that, save it to your computer. Up here is a Submit Assignment button, right? It'll take you to a submission menu, right? You can, if you have it in Dropbox or Google Drive, whatever you use to save your files. I just save them on my computer, but if you have a different way of saving files, I know some people like Google Drive, that's fine. You can submit it through that feature or through that platform. So then just press on Browse. It'll take you to that menu so you can select the file. Once you have it, just press Submit, and it's submitted automatically through Canvas. Okay, and it's as easy as that. We'll be using this feature throughout the semester, so I thought I'd walk you through it this first time. Okay, thank you and goodbye.